Hey there, welcome to QRCodeDynamic. Today I'm going to show you how to add a logo and adjust its style on QRCodeDynamic. By doing this, you will make your QR codes more visually appealing and enhance brand recognition. So let's dive right in. So select the type of QR code that suits your needs and fill in the required information. If you want to add your personal touch, you can also change the colors of your QR code in the colors section. You can choose its foreground color and adjust other parts. Now let's add your logo. Scroll down to the branding part and click on Choose File to upload your logo. So you can adjust the size of your logo from the logo size. Use the provided control to adjust its size and make sure it fits nicely within your QR code and looks visually balanced. After designing your QR codes, click on the Create button. You can either print it or save it as a JPEG, PNG, SVG or WebP file, depending on your preferences. Now you can successfully add a logo and adjust its style using this guide. Your QR codes will truly represent your brand and make a lasting impression. If you have any questions or comments about this topic, feel free to share them with us. Thanks for watching.